Good morning, grade 2. Our lesson for today is about the correct usage of will and shall. Good morning, grade 2. Our lesson for today is about descriptive adjectives. What is adjectives? Adjectives describes the quality of a person, place, things, and animals. Example: John is a good boy. The good is an adjective that modifies the quality of John. Maria is pretty. Pretty is an adjective. It describes Maria. And loving mother. Loving is an adjective that describes the mother. Another example of adjectives: cute dog, big carabao, brave cat. The word cute, big, and brave is an adjective. It describes the quality or modifies the dog, the carabao, and the cat. Okay, another example of an adjective: two chocolates, round table, and green car. Two describes the number of chocolate, while round describe the shape of the table, while green car or green describes the color of the car. And the last example of an adjective are great school, peaceful church, and clean playground. The school, the church, and the playground is a place. And it great, peaceful, and clean are all adjectives. Thank you, grade 2, for listening, and God bless you. See you again next time.